Oh no, my coin slot aerator is plugged up. Guess I'd better grab a coin and take it out and clean it. Today's topic is about a special type of aerator called hidden or concealed because you can't see it when you're standing at the sink. Older styles were bigger and easy to see, and if one got corroded and stuck in position, you'd just grab it with a strong pair of pliers, unscrew it, and go to the hardware store for a cheap replacement. But newer faucets are too fancy to have some funky threaded things stuck to the spout, so the aerator is buried underneath. These hidden types shown here are nicknamed coin slot because, allegedly, you can use a coin to change them. Theoretically, that's true when they're new or almost new and they aren't stuck in place by accumulations of minerals, but people rarely replace them until they're already blocked with crud, and by that point they're frozen in place. Here's what can happen when you use a coin at that point. Now, no worries, we can still get it out with a cheap tool that I'll demonstrate in a moment. And if you can't wait for that tool to arrive and absolutely have to get the old aerator out right now, I'll show you a trick to do that too. But here's the tool you need. Don't just buy the first one like it you see on Amazon. I ordered this set of aerators that came with the installation tool after I carefully measured the one I took out of our guest bathroom, thinking I'd go ahead and replace all the ones in the master bathroom as well. I assumed that all three faucets would use the same aerator, and as you can guess, much to my surprise, they aren't, and the largest faucet actually uses a smaller aerator, as shown here. Ah! The correct solution is to order a multi-sized kit of aerators like this one, with tools that will fit most of the common sizes. Even with the correct tool, you do have to hold it carefully in place, but if you go slow it will thread in quickly. No need to over tighten it, just lightly snug is fine. Now, as I said earlier, if you break the old aerator and absolutely have to get it out right now without the right tool, you can substitute just about any metal object that will fit tightly into the plastic ring that's left inside the faucet when the center breaks out. Ah, that'll fit. By the way, here's a tip for using kitchen utensils as tools. Once you're done with it, be sure to wash it and then put it back underneath all the other ones in the tray. That way, if it's bent, no one will notice until Thanksgiving.